All right, today me and Steve are working on the steering box in the 73 Charger. Stay tuned for the fun. Couple things you might need. Rent them at your local parts store. All right, the thing that's got to come out is all the way down here. It's in a good spot.
See what?
All right. Yeah, we got the car up on jack stands. Safety first. And see under here where we got to get at. All right, so next thing to tackle is the pressure hose fitting right there. Get that off, and then we can go to the bottom.
I think I got it. I think I moved it a little bit. Shooting so in on it. Okay. All right. Come on. Yeah, it's just at a funky angle where I'm hitting the. I can get it with the straight. I think. No. There it is.
It's in a good spot.
Thing loose a little bit here. Looks like there's more room than there is. Okay, here we go. It's just that hose is just on there. Do it with our fingers. Shit. That's one.
All right.
Goddamn son. Yeah, this would have been better if we took this tire off, but whatever.
Some bitch off here.
All right, man. Beer break.
Beer break. Safety break.
Beer safety.
Good spot for it right there. That's what that thing's for, actually. Most people don't know that.
Yeah.
All right, the next step is to knock that pin out of that column right there. You can kind of see it.
There you go.
All right, this is the thing. Be careful not to drop it in the beer bottle. But it came out of that hole right there. And you did have to be underneath the car to knock it up because there's a little bolt in the way, you can see.
I don't know who these people are calling me.
All right, the next thing I'm gonna do while I'm under here is get this cotter pin out. Pitman arm thing. All right, that's done. I kind of messed up the stud with the Pitman arm puller, so we're gonna grind it down and make it look better so it doesn't ruin the hole when we push it through.
Let me see if I can just, yeah.
All right, after a whole lot of banging, finally got that cross member out. Let me show you. Yeah, it came from right there. And on the bottom of that Pitman arm, had knocked shit out of it, or knocked the crap out of it to get that thing off. Almost had to knock it in the next week, Steve.
Hell yeah. Stand it up.
Don't mess up this bolt, whatever you do. I want to get that puller on there and get it set right. All right, now that you got that on, guess I need that ratchet.
How's that?
Are they coming to get us?
Probably.
I need that, I think I need that breaker bar or that extension.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, okay, so that just popped right off. Dripping a little bit. We're good.
Fucked up. No, that looks good. That's good.
All right, as you could see, there's a big hole where the where this thing used to be. And it came right out after we jiggled out the steering column a little bit.
Hell yeah.
Get out of the way. Big son of a bitch here. It weighs about 50 pounds. 2 weeks later. Got the old one out 2 weeks ago. Put it back in because I got sent the wrong part twice by a company whose name rhymes with Crappa. But I finally got the right one from Rock Auto, and it's about to go in today. Big giant hole where the steering box goes. Reverse the order to put it back in. You may have to adjust your valve to keep it from steering by itself. Alright, so we swapped out the power steering box and I took it for a test drive. It made a little improvement, but there was still some slop. So stay tuned. We're going to tackle the rag joint steering coupling next time.